Okay guys, before we move on and actually deal with wallets and stuff, I just wanted to record this quick video to show you how to stop the near blockchain on your local system. Okay, so in the previous tutorial we started with kurtosis, and now we have this, if we run docker ps, we see all these containers all over the place, right? So let me just clear this and rerun it again. So these are all the containers for our near local installation. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to stop all this, right? So in order to do this, we can do kurtosis enclave ls, and this will list the enclaves that we have running right now, so the environments that kurtosis has started. In our case, we have this enclave ID near enclave container status running, so this is our all these containers basically, you know. So I'm going to run near enclave stop, and then the name of the enclave ID, which is near. Sorry, not near. Kurtosis enclave stop near. Okay, kurtosis enclave stop near, and then now stopping enclaves. If I do docker ps, I have stopped the enclave here. However, one extra thing you should really do is clear your enclaves from memory, because I don't know of a way to restart them yet. So I'm going to do kurtosis, kurtosis, and clean all. So we cleaned kurtosis engine containers, and now when we run the start shell script that we ran last time, it's the near launch or launch.near, depending whether you renamed it or not, we will create a new enclave with new Docker containers, which will have a new instance of the blockchain running inside it. Unfortunately, right now, I don't know of a way to restart the old enclave after you've stopped it. I looked into it, but I couldn't find it. So if somebody knows of a way to do it, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, where we're actually going to start working with setting up wallets. All right, have a good one, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.